What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm very excited to give you a lecture and a PowerPoint lecture on Unilever, especially the stock analysis and why I like this stock. So if you guys are new, just again, if you like this video at the end, make sure you hit the like button so that it encourages me to make future videos on my stocks and to maybe have an idea of certain stocks that you can add to your dividend portfolio, IRA, or Roth IRA. So this is Unilever. I'm going to capitalize on some opportunities right now. Unfortunately, the market's down. The virus is spreading around. I'm a registered nurse myself. Who knows if I get it? It could happen. I'm just prepared. I'm prepared to wash my hands. But this is a stock that I love, and I use a lot of their products. If you saw an image I put on my Instagram, I showed you some products just of Unilever, so I gave you a preview of what new lecture I'm going to have. So let's discuss this. So money makes money. I also bought 2 additional stocks, which I will discuss tomorrow, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. So I did add those to my M1 Finance portfolio. I will be adding more stocks to my dividend portfolio, and I'll also give Fundrise updates as well as my Rich Uncles updates and show you how my dividend stock portfolio is. I also give some real talk as well and some frugal living tips. So there is a disclaimer in this video, but so far my strategies are working. So I just want to let you know my dividend strategies are working. My money is making money. And my goal is to make a $100,000 dividend portfolio in my M1 Finance portfolio. And I like what I see. I'll probably get it a lot bigger, so I will post updates on it and show you what type of stocks I buy. Obviously, everybody's taking a huge hit because of the market. So we all want to make passive income. So that's another thing. That's another reason why I made this channel. So I also have a Facebook link and Instagram account in my descriptions and videos, so feel free to subscribe to those as well as watch my videos. So on my Facebook link as well as Instagram account, I will give you a heads up when I'm posting a video or tell you when I have a video. So if you don't see that in your newsfeed on here, you can always check the Facebook link or my Instagram account for future videos. Or even some humor. On my Facebook link, I do add some dividend investing humor. So be aware before we start, there's 2 symbols. Unilever NB, which is UN. That's more European. I'm discussing UL. So UN is subject to 15% of withholding taxes. I don't know why it said taxes, autocorrect error, sorry, on dividends in the Netherlands. So I'm going to discuss Unilever PLC UL. I'm going to show you how it's doing against the S&P, that's dividend history, and things that you might want to look into with the stock before you decide on making a purchase. So it's one of my favorite 5 stocks. So I love their products, which include Axe, Suave, and Dove. Suave is pretty cheap in the stores. Axe, I have their deodorant. Dove soap's another one. But Suave is really cheap. You can live frugally with it. I'll probably have a lecture on some of their products that I really like and why I like their products, because they're so cheap. And if you're a college student, you want to live cheap, that's perfect to have those. It's everywhere in the grocery stores, pretty much. So those guys are big. They're huge. I love Axe deodorant. I can tell you just about every product I use daily has to do with Unilever. So I did some digging. I looked into this stock and I kind of fell in love with it. So this is one of my top 5 stocks that I really like at the moment, and it's going to be hard to convince me not to like the stock because I see a lot of growth and potential. And if you continue watching this video, I'll show you its history and how things are looking. So why I love it. First of all, I added it to my M1 Finance portfolio. I know that said that before. It's a great growth stock. It's starting to grow. It's not hit that hard with this, big panic button with the virus. I'm going to show you the dividend history. It's slowly going up. I know it's not. It's just slowly going up. So this is why I like this stock. I'm going to show you the history of its dividends. I have a dividend finance M1 Finance portfolio, so I put monthly contributions to it. Definitely I want to get more shares in this and have as many shares as I can so I can have a very strong dividend portfolio. Again, my goal is to have $1,000 to $3,000 a month on monthly dividends and $2,000 to $4,000 a month on quarterly dividends. That's reasonable. I can probably do more, which I probably will do in the future, but let's worry about these baby steps first. This is going to help me reach my goal of $100,000. I just feel very confident in this. I have 10%. I will show future videos of my M1 Finance portfolio. I can't even tell you how much percent I'm down because everybody's taking a hit and all this panic selling and everything going on with the market, but things are looking really good. Again, I'll say this again, I believe in its company and its products. I just see a ton of potential. People are in the stores buying this all the time. Everybody in the grocery carts I see in Northeast Ohio, they're always buying this. I see it on the carts. Unilever products, I mean, it's just great. It's cheap. It's awesome. I can't complain. So let's talk about Unilever. It's made numerous corporate accusations, including Lipton iced tea. How many people have ever tried that before? Brook Bond, Cheeseboro Ponds, Best Foods, Ben & Jerry's. Gee, we never had that before. Alberto Culver, Dollar Shave Club. Dollar Shave Club was all over Facebook for, gosh, I can't even tell you, 2012 to 2016. Always. Okay, Puka and Herbs. So they diverse in their specialty in the chemicals business to ICI in 1997. In the 2010s, it was under the leadership of Paul Poham. The company gradually shifted its focus toward health and beauty brands and away from food brands, showing slow growth. So these products are always on the shelves. People are buying them. People are trying to be cheap right now. Look at how many people are buying these products. If you go in the store and you see their products, Suave, Axe, gee, I wonder, it's Unilever for you. So here's Unilever on May 20th, 2016. It was $49.04. Slowly going up. This is 2002. 4.61 dividend yield. That's nice. It's slowly going up. Okay, I like this. There's a hit, and it's going up, and it's going up, and it's just slowly going up. That's what I like to see. I like to see growth. I like to see an increase in dividends. I'm 34 years old. I want my money to make money. I want it to increase. It's a very popular company. It's a very strong company. A lot of revenue. Market cap is $127.69 billion. It's big. It's international. This is what I like about this stock. So here's recently in the past 5 years how it's doing. So the previous PowerPoint slide that I showed you, that was since inception. Now look at how it's doing right now. Slowly going up. This is the dip, obviously, because of the market taking a huge hit. But again, a 4.61 dividend percent, May 17, 2019, it was $60.85. This is when the market started hitting the panic button because of this virus. But it's slowly going up. I see it coming right back and giving off a strong dividend and growing again because it's a great company. Here's how it's done since the S&P, since inception. It has just killed the S&P. It's way up there in the blue since inception. It has not regressed. It has progressed. It was right in line with them at one point, but it is still strong. Even when the market took a big hit, it's still above the S&P. This is what I like since inception. It seems like it's strong. It's just going upward. That's what you want. You want compound interest. You want to you want your money to make money. You want these dividends to reinvest. You want to get it to keep on growing. So far, so good. Things are looking good. Here's how it's done against the Dow. This is what I really like. Okay, 4,692.16% since it hit the market versus the Dow of 2,458.85%. So it's beaten the Dow, beaten the S&P since inception. Those are two great strikes right there that you should consider. Those are two great signs. Those are two great things you should link into. Stay tuned because I will post more videos on Unilever and how I'm doing with that too. So again, make sure you subscribe. Here's its dividend history. I'm just going to show you slowly going up. It's going up and down, up and down, up and down. slowly going up, slowly going up. Okay, slow. It's getting there. Okay, so this, let's start in 2015, 33 cents a share on February, April 31 cents, August 32 cents, October 33 cents. It went down to 32 cents, and then it went to 36 cents and 34 cents. So it's going up and down a little bit, but let me show you the second part, which I like. 44 cents, okay, in 2018. 2019, 43 cents. Okay, that's fine. May, 45 cents. So it's 44 and 45 cents. So each few years, it seems like it's going up 10 cents. That's not bad at all, okay? On my M1 Finance portfolio, if I'm putting in more money each month, dividends from Pfizer, dividends from ExxonMobil once it gets better, dividends from IIPR, the dividends from all these other stocks that I own, is this going to help the compound interest keep on going? So with my M1 Finance portfolio, it's going to be like the hamster running on a wheel. The wheel is going to keep on going. The dividends are going to feed the wheel from spinning and getting bigger and bigger and creating more momentum and more compound interest. So this is what I like. This is a really good stock. I just see it growing. I see it helping out my dividend portfolio to $100,000. I'm definitely want at least 20 or more stocks in this before I even start adding more stocks in my dividend portfolio. It's just, there's a lot of potential. It's very strong. I'm very excited to see, the stock grow over time and rebound once the market start and people start waking up and consumers have more confidence in the market. So again, in my M1 Finance portfolio, I will continue to reinvest and buy the stock. Again, $100,000 is my goal. I'm probably going to go higher than that, but let's just get to 100,000 and worry about that right now. I like their reputation. Again, I will continue to buy products from this company and consider buying Suave products in stores because they're cheap. They actually smell good pretty as well, being a guy. So that's not too bad. There's a few flavors I like that are body wash that are pretty cheap. I'll probably show you my budget one day, just buying a few products like with Suave and Axe. I just feel very confident in these guys. The sky's worth the potential. Again, for you guys that are watching this video, thank you so much. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Again, money makes money. And you guys that are out there working and stuff, I know this virus is pretty nasty. Make sure you wash your hands. Keep your hands away from your face. Do social distancing 6 feet away from people. If you're sick, stay home. If you show symptoms of this virus, you can always, contact your family doctor. Again, I'm a registered nurse. I'm not a nurse practitioner or physician, so I can't really tell you everything to do, but stay safe, stay away from people who are immunocompromised, stay away from the elderly right now, stay away from people who have congestive heart failure, renal disease, HIV, hepatitis, just people who are really beat up with their immune systems. And again, I hope everything turns out well. A lot of you guys are working hard. I actually picked up overtime to save up for graduate school and throw some more money in my M1 Finance portfolio. So I'm really excited to see how things are going with my portfolio over time, and I'm ready for the next step in my career. So, I'm picking up shifts to put money in this company. So this is why I made this lecture, and I want to inform you guys on why I bought the stock. And you guys have been fantastic on my channel. You guys have a great weekend. And again, I hope nobody gets sick. I hope this is over with. I hope businesses start running and let's start rolling and start making some money. All right, take care.